So here you can see we're in Binance and we're looking at the wallet balance. And if you have US dollars currently in your wallet, they'll show up right here. You can see you can deposit more, you can withdraw, or you can go directly to a trade. Probably the easiest way to buy crypto is just to buy crypto by clicking on this button up here and first selecting the coin that you'd like. So in this case we're going to go for ADA. We're going to be using US dollars, so we're just going to do a very small amount here. Got to be higher than $10. And as you can see, you can set up daily, weekly, recurring purchases here. This is just going to go for the best price we can get on the market right now. You can see, you can confirm it. We're only getting 12.3 ADA for this $20. Fees are not too bad on Binance. As you can see, 10 cents. And there we go. Our transaction already went through. And you can see your fees here and the total amount that you spent. So if we come back to our wallet and our balance now, you can see we have that 12.3 ADA right there.